So over here you can see that I have a colorful picture, but let's say I want to go ahead and turn it black and white. In that case, you can go around onto the image menu right here and then go around onto adjustment. And over here you can see that black and white is an option. But once you go around onto black and white, you can see that it just colorizes it out with black right here, just like this. If I were to select some other color right here, then you can go for some other color right here. But let me just go around onto the black itself. Once I go around and do that and work around with red, you can see that the areas with red are actually affected. So originally, this particular image is still a color image, and there are separate color information all around. If I were to go around onto red, then you can see that you can change around the amount of red right here. Then apart from that, you can also go around and change around the yellow on certain section and green on certain section right here, just like this as well. You can bring this down, bring this up, and so forth. You can also work around with the sign right here and change around the color of the sign wherever you want. Apart from that, you can work around with the blue just like this as well. Then you can also work around with the magenta here and there as well, just like this. So you can go around, bring this down and up. So that is what you have, and you can also go around and choose different colors as you wish right here, darker or brighter version of green right here, just like this, and then give that color look to your particular image. And this is how you can utilize the black and white effect inside a Photopea. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.